Hi knitting friends, Shaina Bilow here. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to work a make one left purlwise. Okay, so this is a make one that will be done purlwise and will slant to the left on the right side. So we're going to lift up this horizontal bar that's laying between the two needles. Our make one will be worked out of this bar right here. We're going to lift that onto the left hand needle from the front of the work towards the back of the work. All right, if you have a hard time manipulating your hands that way, you can lift it onto the right hand needle. Just make sure your left hand needle comes in through the front and goes towards the back. We want this strand here that's sitting on the needle to be slanted towards the left. Okay. Then to work the make one, what you're going to do is actually turn this needle a little bit so you can access the back leg of the stitch that we just picked up. You're going to insert your right hand needle into and up the back leg of the loop that we lifted onto the left hand needle, and then you're going to purl it. And that would be the make one right here. I'm going to purl one more stitch and work another make one so that you can see it. So again, our left hand needle is going to lift up this horizontal bar from the front towards the back. So we want to make sure that the piece that's sitting on the needle is slanting towards the left. Our right hand needle then comes from behind the work and coming from underneath the stitch and then going up. We're going to put this loop onto the needle. If you're having a hard time getting into it, you can take your index finger on your left hand and open up that stitch a little bit to get your needle up into it. And then you purl that stitch regularly and take it off the needle, and that is the make one. Purlwise, slanted towards the left. And just to show you one in continental style, again, same thing, we lift up this bar from the front towards the back. Whoop. With our yarn in front, we come up the back leg of this stitch. It's sort of an awkward movement with the wrist. Up the back, wrap your yarn for purl, and come on out. That's the make one left purlwise. The resulting stitch of a make one purlwise left will look like this. A little crisscrossed stitch that slants to the left, just like that. So this little crisscrossed stitch where the left leg is higher up than the right leg of the stitch. Happy knitting!